Hello everyone, this is Neelam Kathet presenting you a quick recap of last 3 months current affair. So let's go and crack your exam with dot study. So the very first slide on your screen is related to important days. And the first one is Pravasi Bharatiya Divas that is observed on 9th January. And on this day, Gandhiji returned from South Africa. And this time the theme for Pravasi Bharatiya Divas is contributing to Atmanirbhar Bharat. Next is World Hindi Day that is celebrated on 10th January. Next is a National Youth Day that is celebrated on 12th January and it is celebrated on the birth anniversary of Vivekananda. Next is India celebrate its 73rd Army Day on 15th January. National Girl Child Day that is on January 24. And on this day, a 19-year-old Shrishti Goswami was designated as one-day Chief Minister of Uttarakhand. Okay, so that from that reason also it is important. Next is a National Tourism Day that is on January 25th. And the theme for National Tourism Day was Dekho Apna Desh. Next is Martyrs Day or Shaheed Divas that is on 30th January. Next is World Cancer Day that is on 4 February. And last one is International Women's Day that is on 8th March. So moving ahead to the next question, and the next question is X Desert Night 21 is a bilateral air exercise between India and which country? So the right answer is France. Next question, which company has completed its acquisition of wearable company Fitbits? So the right answer is Google. Okay. Next question, Indian and French Rafale fighter jet will carry out a war game codename exercise called Sky Rose in which city in January 2020-21? So it was carried out in Jodhpur. Okay, and Jodhpur is in Rajasthan. So you just have to remember the name of the state. Next question, who was crowned the Femina Miss India World 2020? So the right answer is Manasa Varanasi and she hails from Telangana. Okay, Manasa Varanasi from Telangana. Next question, which two COVID-19 vaccines were approved by the Drug Controller General of India? So the right answer is Covishield and Covaxin. Next question, who became the first female match official umpire in men's test match? And she was the fourth umpire in the third test between India and Australia. So the right answer is Claire Polosek. Very important name. Okay, she has created the history. Next question, which country was the top trade partner of India in 2020? So the right answer is China. Although there were the differences between India and China, but then too our top trade partner in 2020 was China. Next question, who is the author of the book Right Under Your Nose? So the right answer is R. Giridharan. Okay, so Right Under the Nose is written by R. Giridharan. Next question, who has been elected as the president of Asian Cricket Council? So the right answer is Jay Shah. And Jay Shah is the son of Honorable Home Minister Amit Shah. Next question, what is the rank of India in the Henley's Passport Index 2021? So the right answer is 85. Next question, Kaja Kallas has become first female prime minister of which country? So the right answer is Estonia. And this is the list of some newly elected president and prime minister. Okay, so first one is Shadre Japarov, president of Kyrgyzstan, Yoweri Museveni, president of Uganda, and Marcelo Rebelo de Souza, president of Portugal. Next question, who has won Best Actor Award at Dadasaheb Phalke International Film Festival Award 2021? So the right answer is Akshay Kumar for the movie Lakshmi. Okay. And in Best Actor category, Deepika Padukone got this award for the movie Chhapak. And Best Film is Tanaji, the Unsung Warrior. Next question, who is the author of the book Unscripted Conversation on Life and Cinema? So the right answer is Vidhu Vinod Chopra. Okay, so Unscripted Conversation on Life and Cinema is written by Vidhu Vinod Chopra. Next question, name the Indian who has been awarded the Ordre National du Merit or National Order of Merit of France. So the right answer is Rohini Godbole. Okay, so National Order of Merit of France has been awarded to Rohini Godbole. Next question, the UN Human Rights Council has elected whom as its president for 2021? So the right answer is Nazahat Shamin Khan. Okay. Next question, India's first labor movement museum will be launched in which state? So the right answer is Kerala. Okay, first labor movement museum. Next question, Okay, this slide is related to the important international officials. So let's have a look. First one is Secretary General of United Nations Organization, that is UNO, and its Secretary General is Antonio Guterres. Okay, Antonio Guterres is the Secretary General of UNO. Next is President of World Bank. So the right answer is David Malpass. MD of International Monetary Fund, that is IMF, and she is Kristalina Georgieva. Okay. Next is Director General of International Labour Organization. He is Guy Ryder. Next is Director General of WHO, that is Tedros Adhanom. Next is Chairman of ICC, that is Greg Barclay. Secretary General of Amnesty International, Kumi Naidu. And Executive Director of UNICEF, she is Henrietta Fore. Next question. The Ministry of Culture has announced to celebrate birth anniversary of Subhash Chandra Bose as which day every year? So the right answer is Parakarm Divas. Okay, so this is very important. Subhash Chandra Bose birthday has been celebrated as Parakarm Divas. Next question. Which has become the only city in India to be recognized as the tree city of the world? So the right answer is Hyderabad. Next question. Mahananda Wildlife Sanctuary, which is seen in the news recently, is located in which state? So the right answer is West Bengal. Okay, so Mahananda Wildlife Sanctuary is in West Bengal. Next question. Which state or union territory has topped the second edition of Indian Innovation Index released by Niti Aayog? Okay, so it is topped by Delhi. Okay, and this is also important that Indian Innovation Index is released by Niti Aayog, or this can be also asked that who releases Indian Innovation Index. Next question is who has become the new Chief Minister of Uttarakhand? So the right answer is Tirth Singh Rawat. He has recently become the Chief Minister of Uttarakhand. So this is also important for your exam point of view. Next question, the Union Cabinet has approved an MOU between India and which country for the cooperation in solar energy? So the right answer is Uzbekistan. Next question, who has been selected for the Subhash Chandra Bose Apada Prabandhan Puraskar in the individual category? So the right answer is Rajendra Kumar Bhandari. Next question, who has become the first Indian woman to score 10,000 international runs? So the right answer is Mithali Raj. Okay. Next question, what is the rank of India in Global Firepower Index 2021? So the right answer is 4th. Okay. Next question, what is the rank of India in Global Climate Risk Index 2021? So India's rank is 7th in Global Climate Risk Index 2021. Okay. Next question, who is the author of the book Whereabouts? Important book, an important author as well. It is written by Jhumpa Lahiri. Okay. And there's one more book very famous. It is also written by Jhumpa Lahiri, and its name is Namesake. Okay. Next question, India's first geothermal power project will be established at, so the right answer is Ladakh. Okay, so India's first geothermal power project will be at Ladakh. And there's a largest national park of India, that is Hemis National Park. It is also there in Ladakh. Okay, so you also have to remember this, that Hemis National Park is located at Ladakh. Next question, which among the following has released Business Confidence Index? So the right answer is National Council of Applied Economic Research. Okay, and it is headquartered in Delhi. So this is also important, BCI. Okay. Next question. Brucacia nana, which is claimed to be world's smallest reptile, has been discovered in which country? Okay, so it is a name of a reptile. So the right answer is Madagascar, and it is a kind of a chameleon. It is very small. Next question. The prestigious Akashvani Music Festival has been renamed after whom? So the right answer is Pandit Bhimsen Joshi. Very important person. He also awarded with Bharat Ratna. Next question. President Ramnath Kovind recently inaugurated the General K.S. Timaya Museum in which state? So the right answer is Karnataka. Okay, and K.S. Timaya was a very important person. He belongs to Armed Force. Next question. Which country hosted the World Sustainable Development Summit 2021 from 10th to 12th February? So the right answer is India. Okay, and this time the theme was redefining our common future, safe and secure environment for all. And it was organized by the Energy and Resource Institute. Okay, so this is also important that it is organized by the Energy Resource Institute. Next question. SpaceX has broken the record of ISRO by launching how many satellites in a single mission? So the right answer is 143. Okay. ISRO's record was of launching 104 satellite in a single mission, but it has been broken by the company SpaceX, and SpaceX is owned by the owner of Tesla company, that is Elon Musk. Next question, who is the author of the book Platform Scale for a Post-Pandemic World? So the right answer is Sangeet Paul Chaudhary. Okay. Next question, who has been appointed as a new chairman and CEO of Railway Board? So the right answer is Shuneet Sharma. Okay. So he has become the new CEO of Railway Board. Next question, Rajya Sabha passed the Major Port Authority Bill 2020, which seeks to replace which act? So the right answer is Major Port Trust Act 1963. Okay. So now the new one is Major Port Authority Bill 2020. Next question is, who has been appointed as a Chief Executive Officer and Managing Director of Tata Motors? So the right answer is Mark Listosela. Okay. So Mark Listosela became the new CEO and MD of Tata Motors. Okay. And don't confuse it with Tata Groups. Okay. The CEO of Tata Group is N. Chandrasekharan. Okay. This is Tata Motors and this is Tata Group. Tata Group's chairman is N. Chandrasekharan. Next question. Who has become India's youngest female pilot at the age of 25? So the right answer is Aisha Aziz. Next question. Who has shone in as a new Prime Minister of Italy? So the right answer is Mario Draghi. Okay, so Mario Draghi has become the new Prime Minister of Italy, and the capital of Italy is Rome. Next question. Shahpur Kandi Dam project, which is in the news recently, is located on which river? So it is on Ravi River. Okay, this is the name of your project, of the dam project. Next question. Who among the following has won men's single title of Australian Open 2021? So again, it is won by Novak Djokovic. Okay, and he hails from Serbia. And in women's single, it has been won by Naomi Osaka, and she hails from Japan. Okay, so this slide is related to the Chief of Armed Force. First is Chief of Defense Staff. So Chief of Defense Staff is General Bipin Rawat. Air Force, Chief of Air Force is Air Chief Marshal RKS Bhadoria. And the Chief of Army is General Manoj Mukund Narwane. And Chief of Navy is Admiral Karanbir Singh. Okay. And the Chief of CBI is Rishi Kumar Shukla. Next question. India's first undersea tunnel will be built in which city by 2023? So the right answer is Mumbai. Okay. First undersea tunnel will be built in Mumbai. Next question. Motera Cricket Stadium in Ahmedabad has been renamed after whom? So the right answer is Narendra Modi. Next question. Who is the author of the book 10 Lessons from the Post-Pandemic World? So the right answer is Fareed Zakaria. Okay. So the next question is, Irakli Garibashvili has become the new Prime Minister of which country? So the right answer is Georgia. Okay. And the capital of Georgia is Tbilisi. And this time Tbilisi has been declared as the World Book Capital 2021 by UNESCO. Next question. Narendra Modi dedicated the nation the 1000 megawatt Neyveli new thermal power project in which state? So the right answer is Tamil Nadu. So Neyveli new thermal power project is in Tamil Nadu. Okay, next question is, who is the author of the book The Last Queen? So the right answer is Chitra Banerjee. Very important book. Next question. The National Board of Wildlife and Ministry of Environment has been included the caracal into the list of which species? So the right answer is critically endangered. Okay, caracal is a kind of a cat. Next question. Levi's has appointed who as its global brand ambassador? So the right answer is Deepika Padukone. Next question. Which company is the title sponsor for IPL 2021? So the right answer is Vivo. Okay, so this time Vivo will sponsor IPL 2021. And there's one more pointer related to IPL. Earlier, the name of the team was Kings 11 Punjab, and now it has been renamed as Punjab Kings. Okay. Yuddha Abhyas is a joint military exercise between India and which country? So the right answer is United States. Okay. Next question. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated Maitri Setu between India and which country? So the right answer is Bangladesh. Okay. Next question. President Ramnath Kovind laid foundation stone for renovation work of the Singhorgarh Fort, and it is in Madhya Pradesh. The Singhorgarh Fort is in Madhya Pradesh. So this is also important. Next question. Which movie won Golden Peacock Award at 51 International Film Festival of India? So the right answer is Into the Darkness. Next question, which company has launched Women Will web platform? So the right answer is Google. Okay, Google has launched this Women Will web platform. Next question, what is the rank of India in Economic Freedom Index 2021? So the right answer is 121. Okay, and this index has been topped by Singapore. Next question, President Ramnath Kovind presented Baton of Honor to which among the following? So the right answer is Kiran Bedi. Kiran Bedi got this Baton of Honor. Okay, so this is it for this video. I hope you will find it helpful in your exam. All the very best for your exam.